That's four 15-inch REMTs. They're gonna blow the doors off this van. Check this out. I can climb in my box. Yes, in my box. This is the inside of the box. Big powerful magnets. Four 15-inch REMTs. Some big poles. Those go from the bottom to the top of the van, from the side to the side, so the walls don't flex from the base. Base knob down there on the ground. Got this Chinksy Pioneer. That's all we need to play a couple of burps and blow the doors off. We'll climb onto the back. Show you the power source. This is brought to you by TJ Auto Sales and Service, 201 North Main Street, Oregon, Wisconsin. My, what we have here? It's the Max Link. You know what that does, right? Yeah. It's 1, 2, 3, what? 4 3,500 watt audio cue amps, and yes, they are 3,500 watts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 batteries, and then of course there's 2 under the hood, so that is a total of 12 batteries. This thing is a monster. You know it sucks? I don't even know what it hits yet because it's never been ran with these amps. So, soon we will know. And all the wood. Just hit my head. Again, of course, sponsored by TJ Auto Sales and Service. Close this bad boy up. The van ain't nothing really to brag about, but you know, it is what it is. Say hi to Big Blue over there. Y'all already know what's up with him. We're gonna bring him out in the summer. You know, that custom top. Don't know nobody got none of that shit around here anyway. Sitting on them 6s. Yes, sir. Shoot flames out them bad boys. Just take a peek under the hood at this little 4-cylinder right quick. You know, got the blue and white guts if y'all don't remember. Yes, sir. Wow, what do we have here? I don't see nothing but chrome. Holy shit. Chrome and mirrors. Keeps the battery unhooked during the winter so the battery don't go dead. Got the young train horn. MSD with the fireball. You know. Shit, might even get this bad boy started tonight. Go up underneath. Ain't nothing but chrome under there too, y'all see that? Damn. I see a bunch of chrome. Take a peek inside right quick. Custom wheel, y'all remember that bad boy, right? That push button shifter. Y'all know nothing about that either. Mirror so I can see 5-0 when they're behind me and wave at them and shit. You know, we got the flip down TVs. The girl on the seat is the hood ornament. She comes on and off. Well, about a wrap the show up for now. I'll be back later.